What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry speaking from the garage shop. This is going to be a real quick one. A while back I did a video about getting rid of the stock windshield wiper reservoir in favor of the PCM of North Carolina reservoir. I got tons of questions. I'm going to thank you guys for each and every one of them. What I'm going to do is answer the most common, most asked question. The PCM of North Carolina reservoir doesn't come with a provisioning for the float sensor to let you know if you're low on fluid. I went to Home Depot and I got a circular saw and I made my own. And a lot of people want to know how. So I'm here to tell you. This is where the sensor went. It went right in there. So when you remove the sensor, it's going to have this little rubber grommet. Take that as well. So what I did was I went to Home Depot and I got a circular saw like this. This is a 1 1/8 circular saw, which fits perfect in the hole. So then I was able to, I don't know if you can see it, install the sensor. If you notice, I didn't drill a hole at the bottom of the reservoir because I didn't want it to be a thing where I'm running out of fluid and I got to change it now. So I drilled it somewhere around, like around right here. Because even though the light will come on, I still have windshield wiper fluid, you know, to get me by for maybe a couple of days. So remember, at Home Depot, you pick up one of these circular saws, 1 1/8, and that's how I got my reservoir indicator to work on my dashboard. I hope this helps, and that's what it's all about, is caring, sharing knowledge. That's all I'm about. Now what you need to do is you need to go to Coverman66 on YouTube and make sure you subscribe, because you don't want to miss a couple of things that I'm going to be giving away. That's right, giving away. That's a hint. Big things I'm going to be giving away, and the only way you'll be able to participate is all you got to do is simply subscribe. That's it. And watch a few videos and give a few likes. So as always, time for me to head on off, and I didn't get the clock working yet, so that's why. But please be easy, and I'll catch you guys soon. Take care.